It says a greater than 1, b greater than 1, a to the power m into b to the power n is equal to 144 to the power 145. We need to find the maximum value of n. So what we can do here, we can write a to the power m into b to the power n. 144 is nothing but 16 into 9, which is 2 to the power 4 into 3 square to the power 145, right? So this we can write 2 to the power 580 into 3 to the power 290. Now if we talk about maximizing the value of n and minimizing the value of m, what we can do? We can take from here that a is equal to straight away 3 to the power 290, okay, and b is equal to 2. In that case, what will happen? M will be equal to, not m, n will be equal to 580, n will be equal to 580 and m will be equal to 1. So the difference 580 minus 1 will be equal to 579. This is what we can do. We need to minimize the value of n, which will be 1, and n maximum can be 580. You cannot break it further, okay? Now it says k is the largest integer possible for which x minus 1 whole square plus 2kx plus 11 has no real roots. So first, if we simplify this can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 2kx plus 11 is equal to 0, or this can be written as x square plus x. This will be 2k minus 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. Now what should be for no real roots? What do we know? No, for no real roots, b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. So let's try to apply that here. It will be 2 into k minus 2 b square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 12 should be less than 0. This should be less than 0. Now in that case, you can take 4 common here and it will remain k minus 1 whole square minus 12 is less than 0. Or if we, now you can see this should be less than 0, maximum, largest integer possible value of k. So we can say k max. What could be the value of k max? If you take k is equal to 5, this will become 16. Then 16 minus 12 will become positive. So k max will be equal to 4. So if k max 4, so we need to find the least value of this. Now in this case, what we can do, arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. So we can say k upon 4y plus 9y upon 2 must be greater than equal to square root of k upon 4y into 9y. So y cancelled out. So we can say this value. So k plus 4y plus 9y will be greater than equal to 2 times. This will be 3 by 2 and k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. So this will be 3. 2 into 3. So total this will be equal to, so minimum value will be 6. 6 is the answer. I hope all of you marked this one. This was next, area of this triangle. Yes, this was an interesting question. क्या था, सर्कल के अंदर एक ट्रायंगल है जिसकी वन साइड जो है वो क्या है, एक साइड ही है, साइड लेंथ है, एंड रेशियो ऑफ द साइड्स गिवन. सो लेट्स से दिस इज सी. सो AC is to BC was given, A is to B. Now if I take this as AX and I take this as BX, this is R, this is R. Can we say that AX whole square plus BX whole square will be equal to 2R whole square? Because if this is the diameter, this will be 90-degree triangle. So in that case, we can write here that A square plus B square into X square will be equal to 4R square. Or we can say X square will be equal to 4R square divided by A square plus B square. So we got the value of X square. Now what will be the area? Area will be equal to half into AX into BX. This will be the area. So half into AB into X square. Instead of X square, you can write 4R square upon A square plus B square. So finally we get 2ab r square divided by a square plus b square. That's the final answer. That's the final answer for this question. Okay. So this question was also discussed yesterday. It's given that it was given that ABCD is a rectangle where AB is 9, BC is equal to 6, and these are in AP, X, Y, Z are in AP. Also, it was given that Z is equal to 4X. If Z is equal to 4X, that means X is to Y is to Z will be equal to 1 is to 2 is to 4 ratio. So you can see here, see, there is a very interesting thing. If I take this area as A, this will become 2A and this whole will become 4A. So total is 7A. If total is 7A, so this will become 3.5A. A to A, this will become 0.5A. So the ratio of area will be same as ratio of their base. So we can say BP is to PQ is to QC will be equal to A is to 2A is to 0.5A, which you can write 1 is to 4 is to 2 is to 4 is to 1. This will be 2 is to 4 is to 1 straight away. Nothing much had to do. The dimension doesn't matter here, as you can see. The dimension doesn't matter here.